Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, and as you can see, I got my Ipsy bag. I actually got it about a week ago, I want to say. It usually gets here around the middle of the month for me, but I've had a lot of stuff going on, so I haven't done an unboxing for you guys. The thing that's interesting about Ipsy is everybody gets something different, and so there are no two bags alike, which is really nice. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and open the bag and show you everything that's inside, and I'll pull that all out now. By the way, commenting on the bag, a lot of people were really mad because they said it looked like preschool. I think it's kind of cute, but I'll probably use it to package up a giveaway, and you know, somebody will get it and probably love it. So anyway, hold on and I'll be right back. By the way, I'm going to be putting all this stuff in the Trying All the Things video series because this is the June bag. And I almost skipped and kind of wish I did. I might skip the next Ipsy bag. First of all, I love Thrive, pretty much anything from Thrive. And so we got the waterproof primer. And what they said on their website when I looked it up is you can put it under or over on your eyelids or on your under eye. So I love Thrive. This is a 0.27 fluid ounce tube of stuff. I'm not going to open it until I open it and Trying All the Things. But yeah, kind of really got excited about that. Also, I got the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I hope this is not too gold. I'm not going to open it yet, however, because I'm not sure I'm going to even keep this. I might put it in trade. It's massively overvalued, and yeah, I don't know. I have to read up a little bit more about it before I make a decision on that. So I'm going to keep that sealed in the box. Ooh. There is one thing here that I've already tried, and that is the Mud Masky Eye Mask. Now, my first tube was from Allure Beauty Box, and it was full size like this one is. I didn't find that it was very helpful, but I only gave it one chance. I only gave it one try, and then I gave the tube away to my daughter. So I might keep this one, and then that way she and I can compare notes. I could try giving this a fair shot and see how I feel about it. Okay, next thing is this Apto Pomegranate Moisturizer Lotion Hydrant. I think it's a face cream. I'll have to look it up. And this is 60 ml, so I don't know. I have so many face creams already that I might actually put this in trade. I might not end up putting this in the Trying All the Things video. I'm not sure. I have to make a decision about that. And finally, this Viseart Itty Bitty Teeny Weeny palette. It's much darker than it appears on camera, at least from my viewfinder. Blech. Having a little trouble talking today, trying to get this done fast. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It has some beautiful colors, and I know people go gaga over Viseart. I've never been a gaga Viseart, oh, you're my wheelhouse, my love of my life type of person. And there is no eyeshadow palette that would make me feel that way. So I don't care how great it is or how expensive it normally is. Let's get you into the light again. It's so much darker than it's appearing. The whole top row is matte and the whole bottom row is satiny shimmer. That's it. It's a pretty good box, but I think I am going to skip the July box because I have too much stuff now. In fact, I might actually cancel my Ipsy membership. Thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your box and what you think. Thank you, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.